Okay folks, if you were here earlier in the week, you will have seen I did a pizza video. And one of my problems was that my yeast just didn't go. It looked like it was dead. So what I did, I only used part of the sachet and I put the rest in water with a bit of flour and a bit of water. And here we are, what's this, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 days later. And I'm just going to do an experiment and see whether we've got anything. Tina, go. Come back here. Come back here for treats. Now here's the container as it stands. And you'll see that there are bubbles there and froth there. But what I want to do now, I'm going to take... doing this cack-handed, sorry guys, let me swap hands. If I hold the camera in the right hand and doing in the left, it's often difficult, but better than me trying to hold the camera with the left. So I'm going to put the sugar in. Yes, did you see that? That's called bloom. Where you put the sugar in and the thing froths up. There's like a swarm of activity. I hope the camera caught that. I'll just zoom in. Maybe I should have zoomed in first, but look at that. Okay, we have live yeast culture. That's going to come in handy, especially if the rest of my yeast sachets are as dead as this one was. But that's good to know. That's good to know. Let me zoom back out. Okay. Quick shot of Tina. Those of you that know. It's tradition, folks. It's tradition. You gotta have your traditions. Come on back. Come on back. Don't go running away. I said the magic word. Let me zoom out. I said the magic word. Now I've got to live up to my obligations, don't I? Hey? Treat for Tina. Yeah. Okay folks, it looks like I've got live yeast. I'll put the lid back on. Keep it in the, it's in an insulated, a thermal mug type thing, so being in the sun won't be a problem in terms of killing the yeast, but the seal's broken, so the sun might give it a little bit of warmth, but there's not going to be any ultraviolet or anything as long as I put the lid back on pretty sharpish. So that'll be okay to leave out here. It'll be nice and cool at night. I'll feed it every second or third day, spoonful of sugar or flour, and I've got it when I need it, haven't I? I've got it when I need it. So the next time I do a pizza, or any bread, we should have a better outcome than we had the other day. Okay folks, from Tina and from me, Delta Mike, out.